What's going on, Daytona fans? Today I'm going to be programming my brand new remote along with the new key that I recently got. Now, in order to program one remote, I have to program both remotes. And the reason for that is if I don't, then the one I've been using will not be recognized and this one will be recognized. It's a relatively wide window of 20 seconds, so you don't have to rush and you won't mess up programming two remotes. I believe it allows you to program more than two. I don't know what the number is, the maximum number, but for my purposes, I only have two, so I'm going to program two. So first things first, we're going to have to make sure that the door is open, and then we're going to cycle the key 8 times. Now, we're not going to turn the car on, it's just going to go on to the accessory on mode. I'm going to do it 8 times, and then you're going to hear a noise, and then that'll allow me to program the remotes. So here we go. Hear that, guys? The lock and unlock. So here we go. The new key, unlock, old key, unlock. So now they both work. Now all I'm gonna have to do is turn the key. You hear that? Another lock and unlock. That means the programming has ended, and now it's time to test it out. Here's the new key. You can hear the lock, unlock. Here's the old key, lock, and unlock. So it's that simple. Just do that 8 times. You'll hear the doors lock and unlock, and you're good to program your remotes. Now, it doesn't work for your actual key because that's not how the programming works, but this is how your keyless entry works. Alright guys, this is just a real quick video I wanted to show you just in case anybody was interested or has an extra remote and don't know how to program it. I hope you guys found this enjoyable and educational at the same time. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.